Hi, I'm Carrie Hiller-Johnson. I just attended the National Association of Veterinary Technicians in America's general membership meeting. And with me is Lori Renda Francis. She's the committee chair for the new certification for veterinary technician assistants that's in the works for 2010. And Lori, could you just give us an update on exactly what NAVTA is working on when it comes to certified veterinary technician assistants?
Sure. Last year, NAVTA developed a committee to look into certifying veterinary technician assistants. And we have a committee of about 5 people. And our goal is actually twofold. The first and foremost thing that's on our list of things to do is we want to approve veterinary assistant programs. So we're looking for current and new veterinary assistant programs to contact NAVTA so that we can kind of read them what the guidelines are, and if they follow all the guidelines, then they would be a NAVTA approved vet assistant program. Secondly, we want to look at taking those graduates of those programs and issuing a certification exam so they would become certified veterinary technician assistants.
So if there's someone right now who's already a certified assistant through a program, what's the first thing that he or she should do to get this new certification that NAVTA is establishing?
If they're currently in a program or looking to start a program, they should contact the school to see if they are NAVTA approved. If not, that would be the first step, to have the school contact NAVTA so that we could get them in the works and in the process of getting approved.
And for those who have completed one of those programs, what would you suggest that they do now? Is there anything they can do now, or is it later in the year?
It would be later in the year. Early next year, we're going to be offering the first certification exam.
And why did you decide to take this step?
Well, I'm so pleased that NAVTA decided to take this step because the whole veterinary healthcare team is extremely important. And we feel the more we can delineate and explain the importance of each individual role, the better it is for the whole profession. So the fact that technicians are getting involved in helping identify what assistants are and identify what important role they have in the veterinary healthcare team is essential to our whole profession.
And just one last question. How does this certification differ from ones that might seem similar that people have already earned now? What's the difference? What delineates this?
This will be the only NAVTA, national NAVTA approved certification.
And the benefit of having that?
Well, there's several benefits. The main benefit is we're going to provide some consistency among all of the different programs and make sure that they're teaching exactly what they need to be teaching in the proper manner. For example, we want each school to be somehow affiliated with an AVMA accredited vet tech program. We also want to ensure that all courses are taught either by licensed veterinarians or credentialed veterinary technicians.